Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with a few things from Colourpop. It's the Sandstone Collection. And also I have two blushes from Maybelline. We're going to be playing with one of these. And just kind of seeing what we think about them. These are new blushes from Maybelline, so if that's something you want to see what I think about these products, then just keep watching. Alright, so in this collection we have 4 Creme Shadows, and stupidly I forgot and went ahead and put on my old Creme Shadow in Laurel. Not even thinking about the fact that we have Creme Shadows. It's been a long day, guys. So I'm just going to show them to you so y'all can see what they look like. This one is Zinnia, Z-I-N-N-I-A. This is Agave Bloom. This is Prickly Poppy. Nice brown. And this one is Flagstaff. So I'm going to wait and use those in another video because we're going to get into the eyeshadow palettes. That's what the front looks like. That's what the inside looks like. And it has on the back all the names of the shadows. Alright, let me take off my glasses. And I'm going to take Vortex right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Hopefully it's dark enough. Oh yeah, it's giving me some color. So today is my, I'm going to put my hair back too. Today is my 7-year-old's birthday. She turns 8, obviously. And we took her to the mall. We still have to do cake. But we took her to the mall and she got to go to Build-A-Bear. And we went to the Disney store. And then to Claire's. And she had a good time. And then we ate. We always eat when we go to Opry Mills. They have this Kelly's Cajun Grill that has bourbon chicken and red beans and rice and potatoes and onions, like fried potatoes, and it is so good. And they give you enough for like 2 helpings. I'm going to take this grounded shade right here and I'm going to put that on my outside corner of my eye. Taking Desert Sky right here. And I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. It's a little different with the square pans. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water and going to clean that up. My lines up, that is. Taking the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Primer. And I'm going to put that on my face real quick. Taking the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation in light 55N. And I'm going to dot that on my face. And I'm blending that in with my Sigma Multitasker brush. And I'm taking the Pretty Fresh concealer as well. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. You might hear my kids, they're in there playing and being silly. Taking a concealer brush to blend that out. Taking the number 7 powder in light. I'm going to use that to set my concealer. I'm taking the Maybelline City Bronzer in shade 200. I'm going to use that to put a little color on my face. Going underneath my chin, going down in my neck. Alright, I'm going to take the Milani blush in Coco Felicia. And again, this is a new blush from Milani. The other one is Sunrise Serentia, but it's just an orange blush. I'm going to use the brown one and I'll use the orange one probably tomorrow. Ooh. I only dipped into that into just, I only dipped in there just a little bit, so they are super pigmented. Take my foundation brush and go over it a little bit. See if I can't tone it down. So my camera cut off. I don't know where it cut off, but we're gonna keep going. All I did was put on, well, I say a little bit of blush, but it was actually a lot of bit of blush. It's very pigmented. And put on some of the Colourpop Sandstone highlighter. And now I'm going into the palette. And I'm going to go into Grounded. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Alright, so we got 3 Creme Gel liners. We have olive green, which the olive green one was called Wildcat. Then we have this one that's called Red Rock. It's a reddish brown color. And there's this one that's called Juniper. And it's a dark brown color. Needed a good dark brown eyeliner. I think I'm just going to do the green in my waterline. I'm going to hop off here and put on my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Alright, so there's 4 lippy sticks, and I'm going to try them on for you guys. The first one is, it's a Hike House. This one's Hike House. Next one is Coyote Ugly. This is Coyote Ugly. Next is Verde Valley. This is Verde Valley. And the last one is Prairie Home. Alright, this one is Prairie Home, excuse me. I'm going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist and spray my face real quick. Alright, well this is the final look using the Colourpop Sandstone Collection, and also we used the new Maybelline blush. What was it? Coco Felicia. I really loved all the products that I used today. I think that my face turned out great today. The palette was very pigmented. I love the shimmer that I put on my eye. The square pans were kind of throwing me off. I'm used to the round pans with Colourpop, but hey, what's a little change? We all need some change in our life. I love the eyeliners the gel liner, the matte lippy sticks. I really enjoy them as well. They're semi-creamy, but then they are kind of matte as well, so I enjoy them. I think they look really pretty. I'm going to get a lot of use out of those this fall especially. And the blush, super pigmented but super beautiful. I think it turned out great. So I'm really loving my look. So I hope that you do too. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I think that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourself. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye y'all.